Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can protect your workbook file in MS Excel 2007. So, without entering password, no one can open it. Let's begin. Now, this is my worksheet. First of all, I will save it. Go to that button and then save it. I am saving it on my desktop. There you go. Now, to protect it by password, select here on the top left button. Then go to this Prepare tab and then Encrypt document. Here you will input your password. You have to re-enter password to protect it. Make sure you input same password both of the time. Now let me close it. Let me open the file now. Here you can see it's asking for password. Let me input my password. First of all, let me input the wrong password. Here you can see it's not opening. Now I have to close this document and then open again. Now I will input the correct password. Here you can see the file has been opened. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and share this video as well. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to type in and I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thank you.